Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unsend mails from Gmail. And to do this, here I have the email that I'm about to send to myself, and we're gonna unsend it. But before, let's click on this gear icon in the top right corner of the settings of the screen and go for the settings. Here you can change undo send cancellation period to 5, 10, 20 or 30. Let's choose 30. We're gonna save the settings and then we need to write a new message. And right after we click send, we have this message right here in the pop-up, and we can click on undo to unsend a message. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.